Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having a recent price reduction, low miles, and a good deal. Features also include keyless entry, remote start, steering wheel controls, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, tire pressure monitor, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, tires, rear all-terrain, privacy glass. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.